Welcome to the shop. I'm Jesse. Today we're going to go over how to steam bend a hoop. Now, steam bending is one of my favorite things to do, and there's a few principles we have to think about before going into the steam bend. First is the type of material. You should want to use a piece of ash, white ash or white oak. Those bend the best, I find. Also woods like maple bend, beech bends really well, and walnut. Although walnut has wavy grain and knots that you have to look out for. The second thing to think about is your wood should be very straight grain. So no knots, no wavy grain. Those will get in the way. The other thing to think about is air dried versus kiln dried. Air dried is significantly better. And the reason is that it hasn't gone through the kiln drying process, which hardens the lignin in the wood. If it's already been hardened before going through the kiln drying process, it's not going to give you as good a bend. Let's get steam bending.